Systematic sampling is a statistical method used to select items from a larger group at regular, fixed intervals. The heart of this method is the interval, which determines exactly how often you pick a new item from your list. To find your interval, divide your total population by the number of items you need. This gives you the selection step. By picking every nth item, you ensure the entire dataset is represented without the manual effort of fully random selection. While simple random sampling relies purely on chance, systematic sampling uses a structured, repeatable path through the data. This chart shows selecting every 10th item. It keeps the audit or analysis process consistent across the entire population. Always check your list for hidden patterns. If the list is organized in a repeating cycle, systematic sampling might accidentally introduce bias. Systematic sampling is a powerful tool for reliable data analysis. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more basics.